Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix system error code 5 error access denied on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Basically this is a system related error and to command prompt Windows not working opening properly, then open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. Go to Windows search, type CMD and click on run as administrator to open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. The second workaround is on the same Windows, go to Windows search, type CMD and open file location of command prompt Windows. Click on it. This will open in File Explorer. Right click on command prompt option and here click on show more options and hover the cursor on send to and choose desktop create shortcut. A desktop shortcut of command prompt will successfully created on your desktop. Simply right click on this newly created shortcut and choose properties. Here from the top menu bar, go to shortcut option and here go to shortcut, not options, because no any compatibility mode found here. So go to shortcuts and here scroll down and you will find the option advanced. Click on advanced and here make the check against option run as administrator and finally click on OK. Now on each time command prompt will open as administrator mode. Finally choose apply and OK to save the changes. Open command prompt windows and you can see a user account control window will open. You will have to choose yes. So if your command prompt window is not opening properly, then disable user account control. Go to Windows search and type user account control. Click on open. It will open user account control settings page and here drag the slider to the bottom down and disable user account control settings. Next time when you try to open command prompt windows as administrator mode, it will not notify you as UAC.